Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created basic setup of balloons in UE4.27 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. So this balloon has random color every time when I hit play, and these are moving with this thread. So this is not the best balloon setup, and you can see these are also intersecting with each other, and but I'll show you how to create the basic setup like this very quickly. So this is my particle system, you can see, and I'll create it from starting, then I'll show you this original file. So right click and FX fountain test. Okay,